Hi coders, CS Time channel here, and this video discuss about how to delete a node at the beginning of a circular singleling list. If you wish to do deletion in a circular singleling list, there are two possible situations of your circular singleling list. The first situation is when your list is empty. The second situation is when your list is not empty. When your list is empty and you had a pointer called head, your head pointer point to null. And if you wish to delete a node in this situation, then your program need to throw an exception to avoid error. If you wish to do deletion in a circular singleling list and your list is not empty, then the first situation, maybe your circular singleling list look like this picture. Your circular singleling list consists of one node, and if you wish to delete this node, then the instruction to do is to instruct the head to point to null. By giving this instruction, your head pointer will point to null like this, and the node that consists A will be unreferenced. Another situation when you wish to delete a node from a circular singleling list and the list is not empty, then the situation may be like this. The circular singleling list consists of many nodes, and if you wish to delete the first node in this situation, which is pointed by the head, we need the help of another pointer. Here, I use temp. I instruct temp to point to the head. By giving this instruction, our circular singleling list visualization will look like this. Now, temp point to the first node that will be deleted. The next job is to give instruction to the head to point to the node pointed by the temp.next, which is here. The instruction will be head equal to temp.next. By giving this instruction, the circular singleling list will look like this. Now head is pointing to the new first node because our previous first node, which is pointed by temp, will be deleted. To be able to delete the first node, I also need the help of another pointer. Here I use temp2. I instruct temp2 to point to head. By giving this instruction, it will look like this. Now I will instruct temp2 to keep moving to the next node until the temp2.next not equal to the temp. So it will look like this, and the instruction will be temp2 equal to temp2.next. We want temp2 to keep moving to the next node until the following node not equal to temp. We need to wrap this instruction under looping. Here I use while with the condition temp2.next not equal to temp. By giving this instruction, our temp2 will keep on moving to the next node until the next node not equal to temp. In this situation, our temp2.next is equal to temp. It means we will quit the looping. Once we quit the looping, the next job to do is to pay attention to the pointer belong to the temp2. Since we will delete the node pointed by temp, then we will instruct this pointer pointed by temp2 to point to the temp.next to this. So the instruction will be temp2.next equal to temp.next. By giving this instruction, the visualization will look like this. Pay attention to this picture. Our temp.next still connect to the node pointed by the head. We need to break this chain. We will instruct the pointer of temp to point to null. Temp.next equal to null. By giving this instruction, then it will look like this. Let's see the Java implementation. In this video, I'm still using the same program I used in the previous video. So in the previous video, my program able to do the creation of circular singleling list. My program also able to do the traversing of circular singleling list. My program able to do the insertion of the circular singleling list, which is insert at the beginning and insert at the last. And now, before we start writing the method on how to delete the first node of a circular singleling list, let's run this program first. From the previous program, we have the result like this. So the result from my previous program is my program able to do the insertion, which is insert in the first and then insert in the last, which is like this. Now let's write the method on how to do deletion in the beginning of a circular singleling list. So I declare it as public circular string list, and I will do the delete first. The first situation according to the explanation is our string list is empty. So in that situation, I will just call empty method. If our string list is empty and you wish to delete a node, then to avoid error, we need to throw an exception. Throw no such element exception. Another situation, which is else our list is not empty. When our list is not empty, the first possibility is our list only has one node. We know that it only has one node when the head point to itself. So when the head equal to head dot next, we know that it's empty. So to delete the node, we just need to instruct the head to point to null, like that. Another situation, which is else here, our list has many nodes. When our list has many nodes, then we need the help of another pointer. I will use temp that I instructed to point to head at first. We instruct the head to point to the temp dot next, which is our new first node. And then we also need of another pointer, circular string list. I use temp2 here. The purpose of this pointer is to traverse the node by moving to the next node until the next equal to the temp, which is the first node that we want to delete. We assign the temp2 to point to head at first, and then we do the checking. While temp2 dot next not equal to temp, then we instruct the temp2 to keep moving to the next node. Temp2 is temp2 dot next. When temp2 dot next equal to temp, it means the following node after temp2 is the one that we want to delete. Now we can instruct the temp2 dot next to point to the head, which is the new first node. And then now we can instruct the temp to point to nothing or to break the change. So we instruct it to point to null. After we delete it, we need to decrease the length of the node. And temp, it's safe to delete. Now let's call this. We will call this CSLL dot. Let's run it. Now I will try with one node. If we only have one node, then we delete it. So I try it first. I only have one node, which is Z. I try to delete the only node we have. Let's see the result. It works. The Z has been deleted, so it's empty. If you learned something from this video, please subscribe and like for more videos. Thanks for watching.